All right, just got a phone call from a client, and they're interested in getting more information about properties around here that are low maintenance or no maintenance in the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area. So we're going to go inside real quick and see what we can find for them. All right, guys, I did some research, and Indianapolis does not do too well, and the surrounding counties does not do too well as far as the 55 plus or low or maintenance free properties. So I really had to do some search, and I did come up with a few properties or a few builders in the area. One of the things is if you're looking for a resale property in the area, it's very, very, very tough to find those. You're going to have to go with a condo. If you're looking for a single story, it's going to be very tough to find a maintenance free or low maintenance or a 55 plus community where those properties are for sale. A lot of people are not wanting to move those or let those go right now. And I can completely understand why, because I, like myself, I'm over 55. I would love to live in a 55 plus community. There are restrictions. The way I understand is the members of your family, if you're married and your wife is under 55, just as long as you're 55 or older, one person, then that spouse can be under 55. Now, you can't have an adult living or anybody under 18 living on the property. So if you have children still, like I do, that is under 18, that creates a problem. So we go over and we switch over and we start looking for either low maintenance or maintenance free, because I really don't like cutting grass anymore. I don't like taking care of the landscape. I don't like shoveling snow. That is the purpose of a low maintenance or maintenance free property. So I did some research online, and I did find some communities in different areas of the Greater Metropolitan Area, Indianapolis area, and I'm just going to go run through these here real quick with you, so that way you get an idea of what is out there in this area. And I do think that Indianapolis, really one of the biggest things in the real estate market, including builders, is they're not paying attention to the 55 plus community, the active adult community, the low to maintenance free community. They're not paying attention to those. And I believe that there is a need out there for those. So I did find a few here. And guys, let you know, my name is Devin. I'm a real estate agent here in the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area. If you want to find all my contact information, you're going to find that down in the description. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. If you have any questions about the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or if you're looking to invest even, I can definitely help you out. So let's go over these real quick here. Okay, so Del Webb, Lennar, Epcon. Those are the three that I could find that are new builds in the area that builders are actually building. So we got Del Webb is 55 plus. They're available in Westfield, Noblesville, and Greenwood. Found Lennar has a 55 plus that is up in Westfield. They have a new community that I've shown a video about this coming out into Avon, out there in the Hendricks County area, Avon, because Avon doesn't have a true identity of a town hall, and they're working on building that right now. The community is Easton, and I just signed up as a VIP with Lennar. So that way, as soon as there's breaking information on this brand new 55 plus community, I'm going to get that out to you. Epcon is another one. They have low maintenance, and those are up in Zionsville. Westfield, there's two. Actually, one is active, one is coming soon, and it should be coming here this month in 2025. It should be opening up, and I'll get more information about those out to you. So right now, just wanted to give you a real quick overview of what I found for my client, And I'm going to go out here to Lennar as soon as they start breaking ground. They're actually putting in the roads and all the utilities and all that stuff is in. They just have to start building out there for the Easton at the 55 plus. So as soon as they do that, I'm going to take you out there and do some model tours of that. The Epcon, we can go up into there and I'll show you what their product is like, and the Dell Web is also, and that way you can see what their products are like, their floor plans and their community and all that. So anyhow, guys, just wanted to share that with you. Make sure you like, subscribe this video, and actually like it, leave a comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you can get notified when the next video comes out. And if you have any questions with me, feel free to reach out to me. So be glad to help you out. Guys, I'm out of here. We'll talk later.